Hi there, guys. My name is Stephen Nguyen, and I'm the workshops coordinator at the Rec Innovation Lab. And I'm here to teach you how to make a white outline around portraits and other pictures within Canva. So the first thing that you have to do is click on the image. Once you have clicked on the image, you can click Edit Image here at the top of the screen. And if there is a background to the image, you can click background remover. I'll just do that right now. And then it'll remove the entire background and just leave the portrait of the person. It's very innovative. It uses AI to detect the edges of the person and remove all types of backgrounds around them, as you can see with this picture right here. After you apply that, you can scroll all the way down to the spot that says shadows. Once this loads up, you can click the glow shadow, which will apply a glow around the person. The default is black, but if you click on the button again, after you had already clicked it, where it says see controls, you can change that shadow around that person. In order to put a white outline around that person, what you want to do is click the color to be white, change the transparency all the way to 100 so that way you can see the white of the outline, and then you can change the size of the actual outline. From here, you can adjust the blur. If you want a harder outline, you can go all the way down to 0. If you want a slightly more glowing background or a slightly more glowing outline, you can adjust the blur to be a little bit higher. For this purpose, I will create a hard outline. Once you have adjusted the size to be what you want and the blur to be what you want, you can just click apply. And there you go. The person now has a white outline. You can use this for thumbnails. You can use this for designs. You can use this for promotion materials, anything that you need a white outline around a person for. It doesn't have to be a white outline either. It can be a yellow outline, a red outline, any outline that works with your aesthetic. Thank you for watching.